this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install unknown apps on your Samsung phone. So you can see we have all these different apps we can install it from. We just need to give it permission to allow it to do it. So most of the time you're probably going to be downloading something from the Google Chrome web browser, or it could be a different web browser. You just want to check mark right here and make sure it's allowed. Now to get here on your Samsung phone, it's a little bit different. What we can do is just swipe down from the top, go to settings, and then we could just type in install on the top right here. So let's go to the top and type in install. And when we do this, we should be able to scroll through here and find it install right here. And then it should pop up as install unknown apps. And if we can't find it or it's not showing up under here, we could just back out, and then on our Samsung phone, it should be located on the bottom here. So it's going down. It's going to be under lock screen, biometrics and security. And my phone is running a little bit slow right now. So we can go on down, and here it is, install unknown apps. And just give permission to the apps that you want to go in and use. So it could be like, I don't know, a third-party web store, or My Files or something like that. So just give it permission, and then you can install your unknown app. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.